your go-to source for everything on two wheels. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 2025 Suzuki RM Z450, a machine that's generated a lot of conversation in the motocross world. Known for its blend of old-school reliability and sharp handling, the RM Z450 has seen incremental updates over the years. So, how does the 2025 model stack up? What's new, what's the same, and is it worth your attention in this competitive class? Ergonomics and design. Ergonomically, the 2025 RM Z450 remains rider-friendly. The narrow chassis, flat seat, and well-placed controls make it easy to move around on. It's a bike that feels intuitive from the first lap, and Suzuki's attention to rider comfort is evident. Visually, the bike gets updated graphics and a new yellow and blue color scheme that pays homage to Suzuki's racing heritage. It's not a radical redesign, but the updated livery gives the RMZ a fresh, factory-inspired look. Heritage and philosophy, the RMZ legacy. The RM Z450 has always stood as Suzuki's flagship motocross machine. First introduced in the mid-2000s, it quickly earned a reputation for being incredibly nimble, predictable in corners, and affordable compared to rivals. Suzuki's approach with the RMZ line has been clear, refine rather than reinvent. That philosophy continues in 2025. While some might criticize the bike for not featuring cutting-edge tech like electric start or a hydraulic clutch, many riders appreciate the RM Z450 for its mechanical simplicity, rugged build, and low-maintenance nature. It's a bike that invites you to just get out there and ride, without fuss or over-engineering. Engine and performance, familiar but reliable. The heart of the 2025 RM Z450 is largely unchanged, a 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, four-stroke engine that delivers power in a predictable and linear fashion. Suzuki has focused on optimizing fuel injection mapping this year, giving the bike a slightly crisper throttle response compared to the 2024 model. It's not a radical change, but it's noticeable, especially in the mid-range. This engine isn't the most powerful in its class. Rivals like the KTM 450SXF and Yamaha YZ450F still edge it out in pure horsepower, but the RMZ's delivery is smooth and very usable. For riders who value throttle control and tractable torque over outright power, the RM Z450 remains a great option. Chassis and handling, the cornering king returns. If there's one area where the RM Z450 continues to dominate, it's in handling. Suzuki's renowned aluminum twin-spar frame remains intact, and for 2025, engineers have made slight tweaks to the rear suspension linkage ratios to improve traction and stability under acceleration. This is still one of the best-handling 450s on the market. Tight turns, flat corners, and technical tracks are where this bike shines. It's incredibly agile and flickable, making it a favorite for riders who like to attack corners aggressively. The revised suspension settings also give the bike a more planted feel without sacrificing that signature nimbleness. Suspension, incremental but effective updates. Suzuki continues to equip the RM Z450 with Showa suspension components, a 49mm coil spring fork and a balance-free rear shock. For 2025, both ends receive revised internal damping to better absorb small bumps and reduce harshness on landings. These updates don't make the RM Z450 suddenly feel like a factory race bike, but they do improve comfort and traction. The bike is more forgiving on rough tracks, and the suspension now reacts better to consecutive bumps, especially in braking zones and rutted corners. For amateur racers and weekend warriors, these changes are meaningful and make the RMZ feel more composed during long motos. Electronics and features, simplicity over sophistication. Here's where the RM Z450 splits opinion. Suzuki has once again opted not to include electric start, ride modes, or advanced traction control features that you'll find on competitors from Honda, Yamaha, and KTM. Instead, the RM Z450 continues to offer a simple launch control system and Suzuki's Whole Shot Assist Control (SHAC), which allows riders to choose between 3 launch settings based on track conditions. While the lack of tech might seem like a downside, it also means less weight and fewer components that can fail. For many riders, especially privateers and those working on a budget, the simplicity is actually a plus. Fewer things to charge, fewer electronics to diagnose, and a cleaner feel overall. Maintenance and affordability, built for longevity. One of the strongest arguments for the RM Z450 continues to be its affordability and ease of maintenance. Priced significantly lower than many 450 cubic centimeters competitors, the ARM-Z represents excellent value for money, especially when you factor in its robust build and minimal tech. Routine maintenance is straightforward and parts availability is excellent. For riders who prefer to wrench on their own bikes, the RM-Z450 is refreshingly simple. This makes it a top choice for riders who want a race-ready bike without the financial headache of high-end components or electronics that require specialized tools. Who is this bike for? The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 isn't for everyone, and that's okay. If you're looking for the lightest, fastest, and most high-tech 450, this isn't your bike. But if you're a rider who values stability, cornering precision, affordability, and low-maintenance performance, the RM-Z450 checks a lot of boxes. It's especially well-suited for amateur racers who want consistent lap times, riders stepping up from a 250 who want a manageable 450, weekend warriors on a budget, racers who do their own maintenance and don't want to rely on dealer support. Final thoughts. A timeless workhorse. In a market where every other bike seems obsessed with innovation for innovation's sake, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 stands as a bit of a throwback, but in a good way. It doesn't promise revolution. It promises reliability, confidence, and performance you can count on. That might not sound flashy, but it's what a lot of riders actually want. Yes, Suzuki could do more, add electric start, tweak the motor, or bring in more advanced electronics, but what's here is proven. And for those who appreciate a bike that just works, without complications, the RM-Z450 remains a solid and underrated option in the 450 class. Thanks for watching Bike Updater Pro. That's it for our deep dive into the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Bike Updater Pro, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on the latest bikes, tech, and motocross news. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about Suzuki's approach and whether you'd consider the RM-Z450 in your garage. Until next time, ride safe and stay sharp.